Sure, the sun can get a bit much when you're trying to enjoy your ice cream on a hot summer's day, but did you know it's also capable of powering your entire house? That's right, we're talking about solar power, that celestial bundle of energy, and the star of the Renewable Energy show. Now, you might be thinking, hold on a minute, how does that big ball of hot gas, 93 million miles away, keep my lights on? Well, my curious friend, it's all thanks to these little things called photovoltaic cells, or, to keep it simple, solar cells. These solar cells are the secret sauce in a solar panel. They work a bit like a bouncer at a nightclub. They let in light, that's the partygoers, but force out electrons, that's the unruly patrons causing a fuss. This process is known as the photovoltaic effect. Once those electrons are forced out, they create an electric current, which we can then use to power anything from your smartphone to your washing machine. What's fantastic is, as long as there's sunlight, the party never stops. The cells keep forcing out electrons and the electric current keeps flowing. It's an instant power generator right on your rooftop. But wait, you might say. What happens when the sun goes down, or on cloudy days? Excellent question, and you're in for a treat. It's called net metering. Net metering allows you to send any excess power you generate during the day back to the grid. Think of it as a bank. You deposit your extra solar energy when you don't need it and withdraw it when you do. Solar power isn't just a futuristic concept, it's here and it's now. It's letting us tap into the sun's immense power, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, and making the world a cleaner, greener place. So next time you're enjoying a sunny day, just think about the massive solar party happening on rooftops all around you.